I recently had a client asking me to add Lightbox functionality to images on Squarespace. And this is actually very simple to do because there are settings for gallery blocks and also image blocks in order for us to add Lightbox to those images. So in this quick video, I will be showing you how you can do that. Here we're at Squarespace. I have some images, and these are the images that I want to add Lightbox functionality to. So simply what we want to be doing is simply coming into this image right here. And then you will see that we have the option to click on the design page right here. And you can see that we have the toggle button for Lightbox. So let me just click that. You will see that we have the possibility to choose between dark and light overlay. This simply means a lighter background or overlay and also a darker overlay. I'll show you the differences here. So let us actually do this in dark. And for the best view, I can duplicate this image so we can see how it looks fully. And let's give this light. When we now say this, we will have Lightbox functionality to those images. And when you click it, you will see that we have the Lightbox functionality right here. You will see that the difference between the overlay is that this one right here is dark and this one right here is white on the background. And that is the difference of it. That was very simply how you would do that on images. I'm also going to show you how you would do that on gallery blocks. So let's delete these. Let's get this gallery block added in. I'm going to choose, where is it? There it is. Can't even see. I'm sorry. So simply what you would want to do is add a gallery block to your page, and this is the one that you want to Lightbox. So inside the gallery block, when it comes to the design section, you will see that you have the possibility to toggle on the Lightbox, and this will do what it says. Clicking on the images will pop up an image with a Lightbox. So let's click on that, and you also have the possibility to add both the dark and also light overlay. I'm going to add the light overlay, and you can see when I now click on the images, we now have the overlay functionality also for the gallery block. That was just a very quick video on how you would add Lightbox functionality to images and also for the gallery block. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, please it down below. And as always, have a great day.